let me introduce how our windows and doors are produced. In short, there are 7 steps. Number 1. Designing drawings according to our customers' requirements and comfort. Number 2. Profile cutting. Number 3. Log milling. Number 4. Profile assembling. Number 5. Glass assembling. Number 6. Install sealing strip. Number 7. Testing products and quality controls to ensure the products meet standards. After checking that there is no problems with the products and it can be packaged and shipping, then we finish the product. Please follow us to learn more about aluminum windows and doors.